Thanks for taking time to watch this video. The basics of nutrition. Believe it or not, you have probably eaten at least 20,000 meals in your life. Without any conscious effort on your part, your body uses the nutrients from those foods to make all its components, fuel all its activities, and defend itself against diseases. How successfully your body handles these tasks depends, in part, on your food choices. Nutritious food choices support healthy bodies. You can see how your current food choices are influencing your health and risk of chronic diseases. What is nutrition? The science of the nutrients in foods and their actions within the body. A broader definition includes the study of human behaviors related to food and eating, scientific study of nutrients and how the body uses these substances, chemical substances obtained from food and used in the body to provide energy, structural materials, and regulating agents to support growth, maintenance, and repair of the body's tissues. Nutrients may also reduce the risks of some diseases. Nutrition is the scientific study of nutrients, chemicals necessary for proper body functioning, and how the body uses them. Understanding nutrition requires learning about chemistry. Chemistry is the study of the composition and characteristics of matter, and changes that can occur to it. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass or weight. On Earth, the air you breathe, even your body, consists of chemicals and are forms of matter. Food is a basic human need for survival. You become hungry and search for something to eat when your body needs nutrients, the life-sustaining substances in food. Nutrients are necessary for the growth, maintenance, and repair of your body's cells. However, you have no instinctual drive that enables you to select the appropriate mix of nutrients your body requires for proper functioning. To eat well, you need to learn about the nutritional value of foods and the effects that your diet can have on your health. What is foods? Products derived from plants or animals that can be taken into the body to yield energy and nutrients for the maintenance of life and the growth and repair of tissues. Although most people realize food habits affect health, they often choose foods for other reasons. After all, foods bring pleasures, traditions, and associations as well as nourishment. The challenge, then, is to combine favorite foods and fun times with a nutritionally balanced diet. Take a moment to review the definition and note that diet does not mean a restrictive food plan designed for weight loss. It simply refers to the foods and beverages a person consumes. Whether it's a vegetarian diet, a weight loss diet, or any other kind of diet depends on the types of foods and beverages a person chooses. Habit. People sometimes select foods out of habit. They eat cereal every morning, for example, simply because they have always eaten cereal for breakfast. Eating a familiar food and not having to make any decisions can be comforting. Why learn about nutrition? Are you concerned about the nutritional quality of your diet? The fact that you are taking this course indicates you have a strong interest in nutrition and a desire to learn more about the topic. A major objective of this video is to provide you with the basic information you need to better understand how your diet can influence your health. Managing your diet is your responsibility. We will not tell you what to eat to guarantee optimal health. No one can make that promise. After watching this video and learning about foods and the nutrients they contain, you can use the information to make informed decisions concerning the foods you eat. Furthermore, You will be able to evaluate your diet and decide if it needs to be changed. Positive and negative associations. People tend to like particular foods associated with happy occasions, such as hot dogs at ball games or cake and ice cream at birthday parties. By the same token, people can develop aversions and dislike foods that they ate when they felt sick or that they were forced to eat in negative situations. Similarly, children learn to like and dislike certain foods when their parents use foods as rewards or punishments. Negative experiences can have long-lasting influences on food preferences. More than 50 years after World War II, veterans who had experienced intense combat in the Pacific disliked Chinese and Japanese food significantly more than their peers who were not engaged in battle or those who fought elsewhere. Describe how various factors influence personal food choices. A person selects foods for a variety of reasons. Whatever those reasons may be, food choices influence health. Individual food selections neither make nor break a diet's healthfulness, but the balance of foods selected over time can make an important difference to health. For this reason, people are wise to think nutrition when making their food choices. Production of structural components, such as cell membranes, and functional components, such as enzymes, cellular development, growth, and maintenance, regulation of body processes, certain chemical messengers, for example, immune function and fluid balance, energy, proteins, major functions. Vitamins, major functions, regulation of body processes, including cell metabolism, maintenance of immune function, production and maintenance of tissues, and protection against agents that can damage cellular components. Minerals, major functions, regulation of body processes, including fluid balance and metabolism, formation of certain chemical messengers, structural and functional components of various substances and tissues, physical growth, maintenance, and development. Water, major functions, maintenance of fluid balance, regulation of body temperature, elimination of wastes, and transportation of substances, participant in many chemical reactions. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update.